You can't win if you don't put in time. As a business owner, you need to know that when you invest time, you can get a reward. Be the first at your workplace. There's no way you can get different results if you don't do things differently. You've been going to work late. You need to stop. Let your workers see you as an example. If you want to be a role model for your workers, get up early and go out there. There's no one. You can ask Bill Gates, you can ask Elon Musk, any of those, what time they get up. Some of them get up at 4 o'clock in the morning to start their day. If you really want different results, you need to do things differently. If you start investing your time right, you're going to reap real big, because time is money. You need to go out there. You need to get up early in the morning. You need to start your day, and you need to set an example. Without that, you cannot get the result that you want. Success comes to those who value time. We have 24 hours in the day, but it is only you who can value that time. It is only you can convert that time into money. Many people live life and it passes by. But if you know the value of time, you're going to reap money out of it. So I encourage you as a business owner, you need to value your time. You need to get up. You need to get up very early in the morning. In that way, you will be able to reap the benefits of those that have valued their time. Get up early. Set a standard. Let you be an example to other persons. That is what will set you apart. Value your time. Time is precious. Time is precious. Don't expect to get anything different tomorrow if you don't start it today. If you want to get something different tomorrow, start it today. And today, you only have, the only guarantee that you have right now is the time that you have right now. So invest it well, utilize it well, because you are the ones who are going to benefit. You, your family, your people around you are going to benefit if you utilize your time very well. Use your time right, and you will be the one to reap the benefits from that. As a business owner, set a standard. Be an example. Be an example as a captain of the ship. Be an example to your team. If your team, you expect them to be early at work, you need to set a standard. You need to be the role model. If they see you getting at work early in the morning, they will definitely say, you know what, if the boss gets at work in the morning, I have to do the same thing. I have to be like my boss. I want to be like my boss. I want to be that leader, the one that goes before us. So as a leader, you need to be a role model. People that have valued time, they become wealthy. So you need to value time. As I speak to you right now, there are many persons that are poor, but because they made bad decisions regarding their time. You cannot become wealthy if you don't value time. A lot of persons, you wake up so late, you wake up around 11 in the morning, and that's how you start your day. It cannot happen. If you want to see different results, you need to value your time. Time is money. Get up early in the morning, start your day fresh. Actually, the time that is most precious in your day, it is early in the morning, those first hours in the morning. So utilize them properly, benefit from that time, kickstart your day very well. You will tell me the results. There's no way you're going to come from poverty if you wake up late. You can't wake up at 11 o'clock and you expect to get different results. So if you want different results, start doing things different. Start getting up early in the morning. Go out there and conquer the world. Check this out. Benjamin Franklin once said, "You may delay, but time will not." Let me tell you, many persons, all of us have 24 hours in a day. But what sets us apart is how you and me utilize that time. If you really want to see amazing things in your life, you need to be a friend of time. You need to be a friend of your time. If you're not a friend of time, you will not, and I repeat, you will not see different results. Time continues, it will continue, but it is you to know the value of time. You may delay, but time will not. To you and me, we may delay, but time will not. You will not detain time. time, you're the one now to utilize those 24 hours to benefit you. Many people are procrastinating every single time. They procrastinate, they push things, they do not work on the things that they want to see. You need to value your time. Stop procrastinating. You need to start something, start it today. Write down a list of all your things that you want to achieve. Set a time frame on it and go for it. If you are ready with a business, set short-term goals, medium goals, and long-term goals, and follow through. Follow through. It doesn't mean that you may not fail. You will fail, yes, but you will learn from that failure. Don't fear to fail. Don't fear to fail. Set goals and work towards those goals. If you don't do that, you will not see anything. You will not work towards anything. Every new year, many people set up New Year's resolutions. The thing that makes people fail on these resolutions, it is because they don't attach time to those resolutions. Many people fail them because they don't attach time to it. They don't value the time. So if you don't put time against what you want to do, you cannot see the results. People fail in resolutions, it is not because they could not manage or fail. It is because they never attach time to it. So you need to attach time that you may see the results. You may see what you set out to do in the new year. Charles Darwin once said, "A man who dares to waste 1 hour of life has not discovered the value of life." If you waste an hour of your life, you've not yet discovered the value of life. That is a powerful, powerful statement. That means if you're wasting time today, you don't see the value, or you've not even discovered the value of your own life. One sad thing is you get old and you look back and you can see how you wasted time, you wasted your youthful years, and you wasted the time that you should have been fruitful, the time that you should have been, utilizing your youthful energies, and you wasted it. A man who dares to waste 1 hour of life has not discovered the value of life. Let this sink in. Right now, you can make a decision to change the transcourse of your life. You can make a decision to change the transcourse of your business, of your life. You can make a decision right now. Let me tell you one thing. If you really want to see or to feel that you have value, your life has value, start valuing your time. Value your time. Don't waste it. Check this, guys. There was a lazy man who was a friend of a king. One morning, the lazy man asked the king, "Why everyone says that I can't do anything? And even when I go to get a proper job, everyone refuses me. My enemies have told everyone that I never do any work on time." So the king looked at him and he said, "Let's make a deal. Before sunset, you come to my storehouse and collect as much gold as you can. They will all be yours." So the lazy man, excited, he rushed towards his house to his wife. He explained everything, and then after hearing the husband, the wife said, "Go and get the gold right now. Time is gold for you." The lazy man sat down and said, "I can't go now. Give me lunch first." After having lunch, he decided to take a nap, but instead slept for 2 hours. Then later, in the afternoon, he picked up a few bags and went towards the king's storehouse. On his way, he felt hot. So he sat down under a tree to rest and ended up sleeping for another 5 hours. When he finally reached the palace, it was already late in the evening. Therefore, the palace doors had to be shut, so the man lost the golden chance to get rich just because he didn't know the value of time. This lazy man, he had a golden opportunity to become rich, but he valued other things more than he valued time. Think about it. So, as a business owner, beat your competitors using time. Beat your competitors valuing time. Many other competitors of yours, they don't value time. They reach at work late. Beat your competitors reaching early in the morning at your work. Beat your competitors utilizing time and advantage for you. And even your employees will see that you are serious about work, you're putting in time, so also they work hard. So you need to put in time. Time is one thing that will separate you from those that are not making money and those that are making money. So value your time.